Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We're back here at Cobra Garden Primary School. We're seeing work is now taking place to repair error we spoke about earlier. Putting more marl to replace the portion that was washed away during the recent heavy rains on the compound of Cobra Garden Primary School. We showed you what happened in earlier video, and this section we showed you earlier that was affected by the heavy rains. So work took place right here about some 10 minutes ago, just across from Christine Cook Shop and Debbie British, and also across from the Hagley Park Health Center. You can see the workman is currently on site here, trying to effect repairs to the section we spoke about in an earlier update. Work is taking place. On the bridge, the bag is still here for the 4th day now on the bridge. The bags, they are still here, right by the ramp. They're here for the past 4 days. Right at the ramp, coming off the bridge, coming down into along Hagley Park Road. I'm Dudley Thompson at Maho Drive for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and again, thanks in advance.